Hello, everyone. Today I am going to show you how to take a screenshot on iPhone without using side button. Step number 1, go to Setting. Scroll down a little bit. Step 2, tap on Accessibility. Step 3, tap on Touch. Scroll down. At the very bottom there is a back tap, tap on it. And now we have double tap and triple tap. Tap on double tap. And now we have a lot of option over here. So, now we are going to choose Screenshot. Because we want a screenshot when we double tap at the back of the phone. So, tap on Screenshot. Now we can take a screenshot by double tapping at the back of the phone. Like that. This is how you take a screenshot on iPhone without using side button. If this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video.